In this short video, you will see how to use JMeter plugin manager. First, we will cover installing the plugin manager itself. What you have to do is download the plugin manager from the official website, the jar file, and then you need to copy the jar file into JMeter lib ext folder, which is the common case, or else you can set the search path in the user.properties file and place in plugin manager in an external folder. Also, you can place all your plugins in that location. Then you can use that in the new installation as well. When you upgrade JMeter, this folder path can be used. You can just copy the user.properties file from the previous installation into new installation of JMeter. Use plugins. Then finally you restart the JMeter IDE to make it effective. The plugin manager interface will provide you nice interface for managing the plugins. You can install the plugins using the UI rather than copying the files into a location. You can uninstall the existing plugins through the interface, or you can upgrade the existing plugins. You can upgrade the plugin manager itself through the plugin manager interface. Let's install JMeter plugin manager. Go to the official website and click on the documentation and plugin manager. Within the installation and usage section, click this link to download the JMeter plugin manager jar file. You can place the jar file into the libext folder and restart JMeter to make it effective, or you can set external folder with JMeter properties search path and place the plugin manager to the folder. You can set the property inside the user.properties instead of JMeter properties. Let's set the search path in user.properties file. I have external folder created and set the search path over there and save the file. And all my JMeter plugins and plugin manager is placed over there. Let's start JMeter. Once the JMeter is started, you can click on the icon in the right hand corner to open the plugin manager, or from the options menu. You will have the installed plugins listed over here, your core JMeter plugins and the plugins from the specified folders. If you go to the interface and add the thread groups and see the listed samplers available, you get a list of samplers which are not even used for the project. You can get rid of them by uninstalling these plugins. Let's open the plugin manager and select the unnecessary core plugins. I'm selecting few of them. And finally, once I'm happy, I click the apply and restart the JMeter. Now if I go there and see the samplers, now I have a clean, nice and tidy interface. So you can ensure that you have required plugins. To install the plugins, click on the install available plugins section, and you can click on type the search text and select the required plugins and click the apply changes and restart JMeter.